Welcome to our video on Master AI Automation and its incredible potential for generating passive income. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring how you can leverage cutting-edge AI tools to create financial opportunities that could earn you up to $2,000 a day. We'll cover the basics of AI automation, the various tools available, and real-life examples of individuals who have successfully harnessed this technology. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started on your journey toward financial freedom through AI. So, stick around and let's unlock the secrets to making money with AI together. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. AI automation refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies to perform tasks and processes with minimal human intervention. In today's digital economy, it plays a crucial role in streamlining operations and enhancing productivity. Various AI tools, such as chatbots, data analysis software, and content generation platforms, can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more strategic activities. By implementing these tools, individuals and businesses can create sustainable income streams with less effort. The benefits of using AI for automation include increased efficiency, reduced operational costs, and the ability to scale operations quickly. Embracing AI automation can be a game-changer for anyone looking to generate passive income in a competitive landscape. To set up your own AI automation system, you'll need a few essential tools and platforms. Start with AI software like Zapier for task automation, ChatGPT for content generation, and Google Analytics for data insights. Begin by identifying repetitive tasks in your daily routine that can be automated. Next, integrate these AI tools into your workflow by following their setup guides. For example, connect your email to Zapier to automate responses. Once your system is in place, it's crucial to test and optimize your setup regularly. Monitor performance, make adjustments as needed, and ensure everything runs smoothly to maximize efficiency and income potential. Leveraging AI for passive income can open up a variety of income streams. One effective strategy is creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, using AI tools for content creation and marketing automation. Another option is affiliate marketing, where AI can help analyze trends and optimize your promotional efforts. Real-life examples include entrepreneurs who have successfully built automated dropshipping businesses or those using AI-driven investment platforms to manage their portfolios. We encourage you to think creatively about your own income opportunities. Consider how AI can streamline your processes, enhance your offerings, and ultimately lead to a sustainable source of passive income tailored to your interests. When starting with AI automation, many people encounter common pitfalls that can hinder their success. One major challenge is underestimating the time required for proper setup and testing, leading to frustration. Another mistake is neglecting to monitor and optimize automated processes, which can result in inefficiencies. To troubleshoot these issues, regularly review your automation systems and be open to making adjustments as needed. Additionally, embrace a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated on new tools and techniques, and don't hesitate to seek help from online communities or resources. This proactive approach will help you navigate challenges and maximize your automation efforts. Let's explore some inspiring success stories of individuals who have mastered AI automation and are earning $2,000 a day. One notable example is a digital marketer who utilized AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Ads to automate ad campaigns, significantly increasing their client base and revenue. Another success story involves an entrepreneur who created an online course using AI for content generation and marketing, generating substantial passive income. These individuals implemented strategies such as leveraging data analytics for targeted marketing and automating customer interactions. Their journeys demonstrate that with dedication and the right tools, achieving financial success through AI automation is not just a dream, it's entirely possible. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. In this video, we explored key strategies for mastering AI automation to generate passive income. We discussed the importance of setting up an effective AI automation system, leveraging various tools, and identifying income streams that can be automated. Remember, taking action is crucial. Implement the strategies you've learned today to start your journey toward financial freedom. If you found this content valuable, We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more informative content, so let's continue this journey together and unlock the full potential of AI automation for passive income.